There are a few reasons I was initially drawn to Diageo, but the most important one was the people and the culture. I felt an instant connection, and I still feel that connection today. It's what gets me out of bed in the morning. No one day is the same in food sales, which is why I love it so much. Typically, I spend about an hour in the morning planning and preparing for my sales calls. I check in with my line manager and then I hit the road. I visit about 7 to 8 customers throughout the day, so that's bottle shops, pubs and bars. And then in the afternoon, I'll follow up on any orders that came throughout the day and put together things like promotional programs for my customers. Before I started my job search, I knew that I wanted to work for a company that would provide me with a really great foundation for my career. I knew nothing about sales when I started at Diageo, but I received a combination of on-the-job training and formal workshops as well, and that has ensured that I feel really supported in my role, and it's enabled me to succeed, and I continue to succeed because of it.